How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about commercial insurance for vacant or unoccupied properties, because when a property is vacant, the insurance landscape can change quite a bit, so it is important to understand why. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian Gutowski. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, whether that's for yourself, your business, or your family, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. First, insuring a vacant or unoccupied property is almost always going to be more expensive. This is because a vacant property poses a higher risk to things like vandalism, theft, and also a big thing is unnoticed damage. For example, if a pipe bursts and no one is around to notice it, the damage could go unchecked for a long period of time, resulting in more costly repairs. Both general liability and property insurance coverage are both impacted by a vacancy, and the insurance company is almost always going to require more underwriting, meaning they are going to take a closer look at the property before offering certain coverages. There will also typically be less options to choose from when it comes to insurance companies, as not every company is willing to insure a vacant property. And the ones that do will often have stricter underwriting requirements, and the premiums, again, will typically be higher. If the property is expected to be occupied within a certain time period, such as 3 months, 6 months, whatever it may be, some insurance companies may take that into consideration. They might offer a short-term policy or adjust coverages based on the time frame for occupancy, which can sometimes result in more flexible terms or potentially better rates. It is also important to note that many standard property insurance policies do include a vacancy clause as well. This means that if your property is insured with a standard insurance company and has a typical commercial property insurance policy in place, and the property is vacant more than 30, 60, 90 days, whatever it states in the policy, coverage for certain risks like theft, vandalism could actually be excluded from coverage. So it is very important to know how long your property can remain vacant before these limitations and exclusions do come into play. Another factor to keep in mind with all this is security. Some insurance companies will be willing to offer more coverage, better rates, better terms if you do have additional security measures in place, like security cameras, certain fire or burglar alarms, or maybe have a property management company in place making regular checks on the building. And last, with all of this, the insurance company will want to know the final plans for the property. Are you planning on selling it? Are you planning on leasing it out? Or is it for a new business potentially? This will all impact the type of coverage that the company will offer and overall how they underwrite the policy. So if you are dealing with a vacant or unoccupied property, your options may be a bit more limited, but again, there are options for you out there. So thank you for watching, and if you are looking for help with your commercial insurance, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, reach out on social media, whatever is easiest. And if you have any questions about insurance, whether it's personal or commercial related, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.